Cleaning stainless cookware is easy once you have the right tools. I'm going to show you how to use our stainless care kit. Ideally, you're cleaning a pan when it's still a little bit warm but not hot. I've got a pan with some burnt on eggs here. If you've let something sit for a while, you're going to go ahead and heat it up just a little bit and add a little water on your stovetop. Heating up that water is going to help to loosen whatever might be stuck to the pan. I'm going to use this scraper, which is perfectly designed to fit in the corners of our stainless frying pans. Okay, so I've got most of this scraped up. Now I'm going to rinse it out in the sink. Now I'm going to grab my stainless cleaner and my scrub cloth. Just a light dusting of this. The pan is a little bit wet, and then I'm going to go in with the scrub cloth and just clean up whatever is left behind. The scrub cloth is perfect for removing any burnt on food or grease. One last time in the sink. Pro tip, always make sure to dry your pan before you store it. Bottoms too, that'll help water spots from forming. And feel free to use the scrub cloth for your everyday messes with your normal dish soap. If you have something that's really caked on, you're going to want to use your stainless cleaner, and that's going to really get your pans looking just like new. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'm Rhoda from Made In, and I'll see you next time.